सांगा. हॅलो.
हा, एक मिनिट. हा सर, चालू करू.
हा हा हा
पहिल्यांदा कन्स्ट्रक्शन. Pelton well turbine consists of following mechanical elements.
ओके.
पहिला पेनस्टोक पाईप,
हा
दुसरं नोझल,
हा
तिसरं व्हील अँड स्पेअर, चौथा डिफ्लेक्टर,
व्हेरी गुड.
रोटेटिंग डिस्क और रनर, केसिंग आणि ब्रेकिंग जेट और नोझल.
ओके.
हा, त्यातला फर्स्ट पॉइंट पेनस्टोक पाईप.
हा
The pipe which carry water from dam to the turbine, this pipe is called as penstoke pipe.
व्हेरी गुड. व्हेरी गुड.
Next nozzle. At the end of penstoke pipe, cross section area is reduced. This mechanical structure is called as nozzle.
व्हेरी गुड.
Wheel and spare. In this nozzle, there are wheel and spare arrangement.
व्हेरी
This
गुड.
is mechanism or arrangement of with which you can block the nozzle.
व्हेरी गुड.
Deflector.
हा
With the help of deflector, you can give a proper direction to the water which is come out from the nozzle, and it will be a throw to the double cup shaped blades.
व्हेरी गुड.
Nantar rotating disc or runner. The disc which is fixed set eccentrically on the shaft on the Pelton wheel turbine.
इसेंट्रिकली.
And there are double cups.
एक मिनिट.
हा बोला सर. हा बोला.
तिथं इसेंट्रिकली जो शब्द आलाय का, तो इसेंट्रिकली नाहीये. तो इसेंट्रिकली शब्द आपण कुठे वापरला होता, कोण सांगेल? हॅलो.
कॉम्प्रेसर मध्ये.
हा, मग हे
हा सर, कॉम्प्रेसर मध्ये वापरले.
इसेंट्रिकली शब्द खोडा.
बर ठीक आहे सर.
परत सांगा.
The disc which is fixed set on the shaft of Pelton wheel turbine. Okay. And there are double cup shaped blades. They are attached on the circumference of the rotating disc.
Okay.
नंतर casing. Casing is the covering of the Pelton wheel turbine.
Very good.
आणि last braking jet or nozzle. Apply brakes through this jet, so this called as braking jet, and for the stopping of rotary motion of this runner.
Very good. Very good.
आता हे construction झालं. आता working.
Okay.
When the penstoke pipe which carry water from the dam to the turbine and the end of pipe cross section area be reduced, the nozzle there is wheel and spare arrangement. Spare and wheel arrangement, it will be rotating the wheel anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. At the time, spare will have a reciprocating motion inside the nozzle.
Very good.
Let us consider, if I will rotate these wheels in clockwise direction, then the spares will start moving from left to right.
Okay.
With the help of deflector, we can give a proper direction to the water which is coming out from the nozzle.
Very good.
And it will be impinged on the double cup shaped blades.
Very good.
Water will have kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy further it will be converted into rotary motion of a runner or turbine. At that circumference double cup shaped blades are present, and the water which will be impinged on the double cup shaped blades, because of this kinetic energy converted into mechanical energy. These discs have a rotary motion, and it will be rotating anti-clockwise direction.
Okay, very good.
As the runner or rotor, we will get rotary motion. That shaft will also get rotary motion.
Very good. Very good.
Further, its shaft EMF putting across the shaft, because of which EMF induced and it EMF is sufficient to convert into electricity.
Very good.
And further that electricity we can have give to different purpose.
Very good. Very good.
आणि नोट म्हणून लिहू शकतो आपण, we need to maintenance and such kind of maintenance we can close the nozzle and blocking of nozzle with the help of wheel and spear, but these runners still have a rotary motion, its speed have a reduce. We
Very
can need to throw off water another end or opposite direction, apply brakes through the jet. With the help of braking jet, the stopping of the rotary motion of the runner.
Very good. Very good. छान 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 झालं बरं का. ठीक आहे, अजून कोण ट्राय करेल?
सर.
ओके, अजून अजून कोण ट्राय करेल?
कॅमेरा ऑफ करू मी?
हा बंद करा. ओके, थँक्यू. नेक्स्ट अजून कोण ट्राय करेल?
हॅलो सर.
एक मिनिट.
सर कन्स्ट्रक्शन लिहिलंय.
सर कन्स्ट्रक्शन आणि वर्किंग दोन्ही लिहिलंय.
पहिल्यांदा कोण बोललं? हॅलो, मला कळलं नाही. तर आपण त्यांना चान्स देऊया. नंतर कोण बोललं?
हॅलो, मी बोलले साक्षी सर.
तुमचा व्हिडिओ ऑन करू शकताय का? हॅलो हॅलो. एक मिनिट, मी पिन करतो. व्हिडिओ ऑन करा.
सर केलाय सर.
एक मिनिट, मला दिसत नाहीये. एकच मिनिट.
दिसतोय सर?
चालू करा.
सर construction लिहिलंय सर. Turbine is a device which converts the hydraulic energy, that is the pressure energy, into the kinetic energy, and further it is converted into mechanical energy. It is called as turbine. In construction, Pelton wheel turbine consists of following mechanical elements. First, penstock. Second, wheel and spear. Third, nozzle. Fourth, deflector. Fifth, shaft. Sixth, buckets or vents. Seventh, braking jet or nozzle. And eighth, casing.
Okay.
First, penstock. Penstock is a pipe which is bent and which carries the water from dam to the turbine.
Very good.
Then nozzle. Nozzle is a reduced cross-sectional area at the end of the pipe. It is called as nozzle. Okay. Third one, wheel and spear arrangement. Wheel is used to open the nozzle, and spear is used to block the flow of water.
Okay.
Deflector. Deflector gives the right and the correct direction to the jet of water, so that it falls on the cup-shaped blades of the turbine.
Very good.
Shaft. Shaft is a circular rod which is mounted on the rotating disc. It will give the rotary motion to the turbine. Then buckets and vanes. Buckets and vanes are the cup-shaped blades which are mounted on the circumference of the rotating disc. Then casing. Casing is the outer covering to the entire turbine.
Okay.
Next, braking jet or nozzle. When any part of the turbine is damaged, to repair it, the braking jet or the nozzle is used to stop the rotary motion of the runner.
Very good. Very good.
So working life पण थोडा चुकतोय. सांगू का?
सांगा बघूया.
When the gates of the dam are opened, the potential energy of the waters get converted into the kinetic energy, and the water starts to flow through the penstock pipe. At that time, when the wheel is rotated in anti-clockwise direction, and the spear starts in the reciprocating motion, and it gives the opening to the nozzle.
Okay.
And the flow of water converts the kinetic energy into the mechanical energy.
Okay.
With the jet of water, that is high pressure. Here, the deflector gives the right direction to the flow of water to fall on the cup-shaped turbine, cup-shaped blades.
Okay.
The shaft is mounted on the rotating disc. The shaft of the runner will have the rotary motion.
Very good.
And also the rotating disc starts rotate. Here the EMF is induced around the shaft and hence electricity is produced. The casing is the outer covering to the entire turbine. In the case any part of the turbine is damaged, here to repair it, we have to stop the rotary motion of the turbine, and thus the braking jet or nozzle will give the brake to the rotary motion of the water.
Very good. Very good. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट
जाधव सर.
हा, व्हिडिओ ऑन करा. नंतर मुलांमध्ये दोघ जणांनी सांगायचं आहे बरं का. बी रेडी. हॅलो, व्हिडिओ ऑन करा प्लीज.
सर माझा व्हिडिओ बंद झाला का?
हो हो हो. तुम्ही व्हिडिओ चालू करा. एक मिनिट व्हिडिओ चालू केला का?
नाही सर, असंच सांगते.
व्हिडिओ नाही का चालू होत? हॅलो,
होत सर,
करा ना.
सांगते मी.
व्हिडिओ चालू करून बोललं पाहिजे आपण बरं का. उद्या आपल्याला ती सवय झाली पाहिजे. हॅलो, ठीक आहे. मुलांमध्ये कोण चालू करून व्हिडिओ बोलेल? हॅलो 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 हॅलो
हॅलो सर. हॅलो सर.
व्हिडिओ चालू करा. मिहिर.
हा सर, एक मिनिट.
हा, दुसरं कोण करेल? त्यांना वेळ लागतोय थोडा. हॅलो हॅलो, आवाज येत नाही मिहिर.
हा हॅलो सर, आता येतोय. हा सर, करू चालू?
हा, चालू करा. हात फक्त तुमचा मध्ये आलाय मिहिर. हात तुमचा मध्ये आलाय. हात. हा ओके.
आता दिसतोय?
हा ओके ओके. हात मध्ये येतोय कॅमेराच्या त्या. हा ओके. आता ओके.
According to position of shaft, Pelton wheel is a horizontal turbine.
Very good.
Construction. Pelton wheel turbine consists of following mechanical elements. First is penstock and nozzle. Second is spear and wheel. Third is casing and braking jet. Fourth is runner, double cup shaped blades, and buckets and shaft. Fifth is deflector.
Okay.
First is penstock and nozzle. Penstock is a device or pipe which connected to dam to turbine, which carries water from dam to turbine. And nozzle is the narrow shaft at the end of penstock pipe.
Okay.
Second is spear and wheel. Spear is a placed in penstock pipe near the nozzle.
Okay.
Of penstock pipe. Spear is a connected to wheel and which rotates.
Okay.
सर ते कंस्ट्रक्शन मध्ये येणार ते रेसिप्रोकेट. हा सर. Third is casing and braking jet. Casing is the outer covering of turbine, and when water coming from penstock pipe to in turbine, water is strike on bucket, then water is splitting in turbine. This water splitting the blocked using casing of turbine. म्हणजे सर ते टर्बाइन मध्ये जे वॉटर येणार केसिंगच्या साहाय्याने ते आतमध्ये वॉटर राहील. And braking jet at the piston upper side of casing. केसिंगच्या अप्पर साइडला.
Okay.
And fourth is runner and double cup shaped blades, buckets and shaft. Its shaft. Runner is a circular disc which is present in a turbine and it is connected to shaft. Its shaft and shaft is placed in electromagnetic field.
Okay.
And double cup shaped blades, that is buckets, present on periphery, that is circumference of its runner.
Okay, very good.
And deflector, it is present in turbine and near to deflector is working मध्ये सांगतो. Working penstock is a device or pipe which carries water from dam to turbines. This water in dam with potential energy, is converted into hydraulic energy in a penstock pipe, and this hydraulic energy is converted into kinetic energy with the help of narrow shaped nozzle. साइन आपण ती kinetic energy म्हणजे कन्वर्ट करू.
बरोबर.
And water strikes on bucket of runner in at direction of buckets and direction maintaining with the help of deflector. Deflector works proper direction of the jet water coming on buckets. Jet of water strikes on buckets of runner, then runner have rotary motion. This rotary motion is
ब्रेक व्हायला लागला आवाज.
This runner rotary motion. Hello sir.
बोला.
ऐकतो का आता? हाँ sir. This rotary motion is converted into mechanical energy of runner. This runner rotary motion shaft also rotates. It is rotating in electromagnetic field. Electricity generated.
Okay.
A water jet strike on continuously on buckets. Chance to break off buckets. This maintenance is essential to continue work of turbine. With the help of spear and braking jet, we need to stop water flow from dam using spear. That is, spear is wheel is rotates, then spear is reciprocate in the penstock pipe. When wheel is rotates, spear is forward direction and block flow of water which coming from dam. But runner is a rotates due to inertia. So inertia मुळे ते runner rotate होते. This rotary motion of runner stop using braking jet. Wheel is rotate at the braking jet. म्हणजे braking jet वरचं wheel आपण rotate केलं. Braking jet and it's open. म्हणजे braking jet open होणार.
Okay.
And water flow from braking jet. This flow opposed to runner in rotary motion. म्हणजे ते inertia म्हणजे rotary motion आहे runner ची त्याला अपोज करेल. And its runner is stop. And runner is stop. We can repair or maintaining the mechanical element of turbine. सर आपण नोट मध्ये हे लिहू शकतो का? हॅलो.
हो होय. हॅलो. We can write.
Spear is used on constant pressure. म्हणजे वरून जे प्रेशर येणार आहे ते म्हणजे फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन बॅकवर्ड डायरेक्शनला घेऊन आपण ते कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर ठेवू शकतो जे आपण बकेट्सवर टाकणार आहोत ते. म्हणजे कायनेटिक एनर्जी आपली कॉन्स्टंट राहील. म्हणजे आपण पाणी मारताना पाईपाला पुढे बोट लावतो ना.
Same thing happens here, and Mr. Mihir, same thing happens in the nozzle. What we are doing, we are reducing the cross-sectional area, and as we are reducing the cross-sectional area, because of which what will happen, velocity of water increases. Hello.
Yes sir.
Device which increases the velocity of liquid or water, so such device we are calling it as nozzle. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay sir.
नेक्स्ट अजून कोण सांगेल मुलांमध्ये? सर्वोदय आहेत का? हॅलो सर्वोदय. हॅलो सुयश. सुजय गायकवाड. हॅलो सुयश आहेत का? सुयश गायकवाड अँड सुजय गायकवाड. हॅलो. ठीक आहे, अजून कोण सांगेल? मुलांमध्ये कोण वाचून दाखवेल? हॅलो, व्हिडिओ ऑन करून. हॅलो. 57 स्टुडंट्स आहेत बघा तिथे. स्नेहल अंबुरे रेज्ड हँड. हा, व्हिडिओ ऑन करा. एक मिनिट. हा, व्हिडिओ ऑन केला काय? हा, तुम्ही दिसला पाहिजे. स्नेहल तुम्ही दिसला पाहिजे. आपल्याकडे डायग्राम आहे इथे. ठीक आहे. हॅलो, आवाज येतो का? स्नेहल अंबुरे. मुलांमध्ये कोण सांगेल का? हॅलो. 2 मुली झाल्या, 2 मुलं. स्नेहल अंबुरे, तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये. हा.
हॅलो सर.
हा, ओके, व्हेरी गुड. एक मिनिट. हा, एक मिनिट. हा, चालू करा, व्हिडिओ चालू करा आणि बोला.
पेल्टन व्हील टर्बाइन कंस्ट्रक्शन.
व्हिडिओ बंद झाला का बघा. हॅलो 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 हॅलो. तुम्ही दिसत नाही.
दिसतंय ना सर.
हा, आता ओके. स्टार्ट करा.
पेल्टन व्हील टर्बाइन.
बंद झालं परत. हॅलो हॅलो, काय झालं बघा ना सेटिंग.
हॅलो.
हा, आता चालू करा. आता काय करू नका, नुसतं बोलत राहा. हॅलो.
बोलते सर.
बंद झालं बघा. हा, बंद होतंय ते कशामुळे बघा ना.
रेंज प्रॉब्लेम असेल.
बर. हा, बोला आता, बोला. बंद पडलं तर पडू द्या.
Pelton wheel turbine construction. The following construction are parts of Pelton wheel: first casing, second spear, third brake nozzle, fourth runner of rotor, 5 penstock.
Okay.
Casing. The Pelton wheel casing prevents the splashing of the water, and it will provide a discharge of water from the nozzle to the tail race.
Okay.
The casing surrounding the wheel has no hydraulic function to perform, unlike the reaction turbine, where the casing plays an important role in hydraulic function.
Okay.
Second, spear. When the nozzle is completely closed by moving the spear in the forward direction, the amount of water streaking the runner is reduced, but the runner, due to inertia, continues revolving for the long time.
Okay.
Third, brake nozzle. To stop the runner to rest in a short time, a braking jet is provided which directs the water on the bucket. This is called a braking jet. A runner or rotor. A Pelton wheel has a runner that rotates, has a kinetic energy at a periphery of the runner, equally spaced hemispherical or double ellipsoidal buckets. All the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy before its strike jet hits the rotor blades.
Okay.
Penstock. These are the channel or pipelines from high head source water transferred to the actual power station.
Okay.
Working. The working principle is the water is coming from storage receiver through a penstock to the inlet of the nozzle, which is the inlet of the turbine. So the hydraulic energy of water is mainly converted into kinetic energy. The water releases in the form of a jet from the nozzle and strikes on the vanes for a very small time duration. Okay. Since a very high force is exerted on the vanes by the jet of water for a very small time duration, so these turbines are known as impulse turbine.
Okay.
Bucket changes the direction of flow of water, jet, and momentum transfer takes place. All the events happen in open air, that is at atmospheric pressure. The nozzle is used to convert the head available with water into dynamic head, and the water comes out the nozzle in the form of a jet.
Very good.
As the jet strikes over the runner vane, it will apply a large magnitude force for all amount of time over the runner. This is called the Pelton force. and the Pelton force will rotate the runner.
Okay.
Over, sir.
So just one question I wanted to ask. ठीक है? Are you using any book?
नाही सर, थोडं YouTube होतं.
हा, YouTube वर सर्च करून केलेलं आहे. ओके, नो इश्यूज आहे ना. छान आहे, छान आहे. ठीक आहे. अजून कोण सांगेल का मुलांमध्ये? हॅलो, युट्यूब मधून त्यांनी थोडंसं बघा आहे ना, व्हिडिओज वगैरे बघतात आहेत त्या आणि त्यांना थोडंसं समजतंय. हॅलो, नेक्स्ट, हु इज नेक्स्ट? हॅलो, मुलांमध्ये कोण सांगेल अजून? फक्त मिहीर एकट्यांनीच सांगितलं बघा. बाकीचे काय करतात आहेत? हॅलो, हॅलो, भोसले आहेत का? भोसले, हॅलो, भोसले कोण सांगेल? तुषार सर्वदे, तुषार, हॅलो, बोलत पण नाहीत बघा. कसं व्हायचं काय बघा. अभिषेक जाधव, मिस्टर अभिषेक.
येस सर.
हा, व्हिडिओ ऑन करा.
दिसतोय सर?
एक मिनिट. हा, चालू करा.
Can I start?
Yes.
When water comes from the dam, it enters through the penstock. It enters through penstock pipe. Penstock pipe is the covering for water which flows from the dam. Then comes the spear. Spear is used to block the water which flows in the turbine. We use wheel for closing and opening. Wheel moves forward and backward in direction as per the diagram. And there is the casing, which is the outer covering of the turbine.
Okay.
There's the buckets or vanes. Those are used for moving the shaft or rotor through the pressure of water which comes from pipe. There's the deflector, which gives the direction for the water to get directly impinged on buckets. And last is the nozzle or braking jet, which is used to stop the turbine.
Okay.
So working सांगू का? When we open the gates of the dam, water flows from water comes from upside to down. And, it has potential energy and it can get converted into kinetic energy.
Okay, very good.
When it comes down, our main function here is to convert from potential energy to kinetic and kinetic energy to mechanical energy.
Very good, very good.
Yes, and when it comes through penstock pipe, we need to open the wheel or rotate the wheel so that the spear gets in backward direction and water flows through flows outside of pipe. And pipe has a narrow structure so that water gets directly impinged or it gets a lot of काय म्हणतात प्रेशरला काय म्हणतात सर?
जेट ऑफ वॉटर म्हणलंय तिथे. In the form of jet of water.
In the form of jet of water. Deflector helps to give the direction to the jet of water, which get directly on the buckets. Buckets have
Buckets are double cup shaped blades.
Double cup shape. Buckets are double cup shaped blades, which gives rotation for shaft. And if we need to stop the turbine, we need to close the spear. We need to move spear in forward direction and open the braking jets so that water comes from braking jet to downward direction and turbine gets stopped. Okay, sir.
Very good. Just only one question I would like to ask, Abhishek Jadhav. I think you have not written, is it, in the notebook?
Nahi sir.
Here, this is very actually appreciated. This is the skill which is required. Many times with the help of diagrams also you should be able to explain. I'm really happy, though you have not written, but you have tried well. Okay, thank you. अजून कोण सांगेल? हा, अजून कोण सांगेल? मुलांमध्ये अजून कोण सांगेल? हॅलो. जे ऑफलाईन इकडे येऊन गेले बरं का, काही चेहरे थोडेसे ओळखीचे आहेत आणि त्यांचंच फक्त माहिती आहेत मला. बाकीच्यांनी तुम्ही फोटो पण नाहीत लावले आहे. हाऊ आय कॅन अंडरस्टँड. तुषार आहेत का? तुषार सर्वदे बोला तर की ऍटलिस्ट. हॅलो B30. तुषार सर्वदे. लास्ट 2 minutes. गोविंद धोत्रे आहेत का? हॅलो. रोनक वर्मा. मिस्टर रोनक B62. हेलो. अनम्यूट करके बात करने का है रोनक. हेलो मिस्टर रोनक, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड से समथिंग. आर यू देयर मिस्टर रोनक? रोनक वर्मा, आर यू देयर? हेलो. सुयश गायकवाड B21.
हेलो सर.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा? हेलो सुयश. हेलो.
यस सर.
हाँ, व्हिडिओ चालू करा.
सर नाही लिहिलं.
कसं काय? थोडंसं प्रॅक्टिस करायला पाहिजे की आपण स्वतः. मागचं 2-3 सेशन आपण ह्या पॉइंट पासून हल्लेलो नाही आहे. बिकॉज आय वॉन्टेड टू चेक हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू आर रिअली एबल टू राईट. अँड सुयश. नेक्स्ट, हू विल ट्राय? लो.
मी लिहिलंय सर.
हा, एकच मिनिट आहे बरं का आपल्याकडे. व्हिडिओ ऑन करा आणि फटाफट वाचा. हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो. कधी पण बाहेर फेकलं जाईल. व्हिडिओ ऑन करा प्लीज.
सर नाही व्हिडिओ ऑन केलं तर चालेल?
हा करा, आहे ना, संपत आला टाइम. वाचा पटपट पटपट. हॅलो.
कन्स्ट्रक्शन लिहिलंय सर मी.
हा.
First is penstock, fan water which carries from dam to turbine. Then this pipe is called as penstock. Second wheel is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. Then water comes in turbine. Third is spear. Spear is the blockage of water when wheel is rotating anti-clockwise direction.